Hi guys, it's Derek with Diamonds. I have an unboxing. It came today. Let me grab it. Does that box look familiar? Yes, it did. It came. So I put it all back in as originally it came. One thing that didn't fit, which I'll pull out of my bag, was her toolkit. If you guys are wondering, this is coming from Rose Profit Creations over in lovely Australia. So you get a thing of tweezers, a squishy, a pin, and a 3-placer, the thick placers, a mouse boat, then the thin 7 and 4 placers, and a plate of wax, guys. That's her toolkit. Guys, this painting, oh my gosh, it like stole my asthma. So it's in this type of bag. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna zoom in here. There's her logo, Rose Profit Creations. So you have a schematic on the left side here. And this has 40 colors and 4 ABs. It is a round. And you also have the schematic on the right side. And then DP, this is Princess Rainbow, 40 by 50 round, Princess of the Rainbows by Rose Profit. Her email address, as well as her website. So I will roll this backwards just to give it a little bit more time to flatten. So guys, we are actually going to lift this sticky about halfway, because I want to show you how thick the plastic is. It's very cloudy, which causes the symbols to not look clear, but when you pull out the plastic, they are like crystal clear, guys. Her paintings are just, I wanted to get one of each. There are quite a few of hers I want to get. Like, she has one of the Phoenix paintings I want. Guys, isn't she stunning? Look at this image. And again, this one had a little help. The drills decided to go on a field trip. A lot of the drills were like, we want to go for a ride. So, if I'm not mistaken, this one has, let's look for a dark color. We'll do 823, which equals 823, which is 22. This dark navy color. Oh, here we go. We'll use my shrimp boat. So guys, I did place another order with Mooney Made. I got a diamond painting. Because of the tray release, there was only one color I wanted and it sold out. So, nice quality rounds. I'm very impressed. So those are the dark colors. Not too bad. I like the ABs in this kit. They're different. They're not... The static isn't bad like I thought it was going to be. Let's do a light color. We'll do this one. A nice little pink. Stunning, stunning drills. And here are the ABs for this color, guys, for this painting. And this is the one I'm going to show. Look at the sparkle, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Static isn't bad. Static is worse in ABs than it is in regular drills. So I will be getting a bigger image next. There's that. And this as well comes with a sticker sheet. This will give you an idea of what the image looks like. Stunning, right? It is a round. It is a 40 by 50. Has 40 colors and 4 ABs. So guys, that is Rose Prophet Creations, the second painting I have gotten from her. I am very impressed. I do plan on ordering more. So guys, go check out Rose Prophet Creations. And with that being said, guys, love yourself, love each other, guys. Happy diamond painting, guys. Bye.